They say, home is where the heart is. That old adage stands true for this gorgeousness. Beautiful abodes abound. Heed the call for the virgin beach. Bow down to the powers above at one of the merry stops. Because what is the magic of nature if it doesn't enamor one and all? Let your mind wander and feel the hustle and bustle wash off you. No doubt of beautiful long stretches, enough to lay back and relax. Steeped in history and culture, let your spiritual side have some food for thought. Get away for what makes such a place unique from the rest. Let loose and step up the front quotient and frolic on the beaches. Stay in and revel, or head out and make merry. Localized flavor is best experienced with the locals. Take a deep dive into the rituals and rites that make this unique. Natural scenery and plenty suits the eyes and pleases the senses. Friends, family, solo. There is something for each personality. Time spent here is undoubtedly going to be time well spent. An open secret to fun times. An open invitation to take in a unique culture. Walk in with an open mind and let the joy overtake you. Visit Guhagar and rest your feet.